Okay, boys and girls, so we're going to get started with this practice benchmark. You should be looking at a paper, or your substitute should be giving you a paper now, that says Module 6, Week 1 Assessment. These look a lot like the benchmark tests that we take, so I wanted to do this as a practice for you, and then we'll go over these together later on. So make sure that you have your assessment in front of you. Make sure that your name, first and last, and the date are on there. And whoever is working this video, if you need to pause to let them do that, you can certainly do that now. And when you're ready to get started, of course, the first thing that we do is read the instructions, read the selection, and answer each question. So you're going to read the selection, The Mysterious Otter Cat. And here's another example of when the author uses quotation marks not to show that someone is speaking, but to show that they're talking about something that isn't really an otter cat, but it's like the mysterious otter cat. So we'll have to find out what that is. So you're going to read this passage, and you'll need to flip your page and go to your second page. And then you'll read on down here. And on the third page, you're going to come to the section where the questions begin. So you'll answer these questions. You'll bubble in your choice here. Remember to fill in the circle, not exit, circle it, anything like that. What was the author's purpose for writing the article? Use details from the article to support your answer. You're going to tell me in complete sentences why the author wrote this article. Then you're going to continue to the next page where you will answer these questions. This is some thesaurus work. We've worked with thesaurus entries on our slides before. Work on down here. There's some prefix work. Another question about why the author included certain bits of information. What adds to the mood or the feeling of the section Monkey Business? What does the picture help the reader understand? And then you're going to work on to the next section, which is writing. So that first part was a reading passage and questions. Now you're going to do some writing. It says read the selection and choose the best answer to each question. So you're going to read all of this, and then your work starts here, where you're going to read the sentence and then choose the best answer. Same thing all down through here, and then you're going to be finished. Now I've asked the sub to give you 30 minutes to work on this test, and that should be plenty of time for you to read carefully and do your very best work. Please make sure that you're pacing yourself and that you're reading every question and every answer choice, and you're going back into the text to make your selections. I'll be back with another video tomorrow in which we begin to go over the answers to these test questions.